What's up? Good day mga ka-runners. So today's run, we have a run walk session again. Here again at BGC ground. So we have 30 minutes ulito or 35 minutes kasi meron tayong 5 minutes na walk. And syempre later may easy run tayo na 4 sets. So what are you waiting for? Come and join me. Let's have some fun. Let's have some papawis. So come on, let's be active. Let's go. Peace. Did you know that walking 10,000 steps a day can reduce your health risk for different kind of diseases and sickness? So have some 10k walks at least a day to be healthy. Na tayo sa walking. So let's have some 4 sets of running. 1k 906. 4 sets pala, may kasamang 1 minute na rest na walk. Kaya every 5 minutes walk tayo. KM2 7:11, KM3 7:45, KM4 9:07. So we finish our walk and run session in Huawei. So sarap sa pakiramdam kasi napawisan na naman tayo. I hope I encourage you once again to be healthy, to be wealthy, to stay active, and always run for your life. Let's go. Peace.